and welcome back to my channel. I'll be teaching you how to make stabilized whipped cream. Whipped cream is one thing that is very essential and universal in the bakery. You can use it to decorate your ice, your cakes. You can also use it to make your fillings. On this very day, I wanted to make a small batch of filling for my pastry. So I decided to record it and show my followers how you can achieve a stabilized whipped cream. One is you need to have a good recipe. 2, you need to be sure of the product you are using. 3, your water, your instruments needs to be chilled. And 4, you need to have a high-speed hand mixer. I do not encourage, or I wouldn't ask anyone to make whipped cream using a wooden spoon or a spatula. It's best made with a mixer, either a table mixer, an industrial mixer, or a handheld mixer, depending on the quantity you want to make. This is a very small batch. This is my chilled water. Your water needs to be very cold. I measured out about 90 grams of whipped cream powder, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cold water, chilled water, very important. So I start off with a lower speed because I wouldn't want the powder to splash all over the place. Immediately it combines with the water or it comes together, you can now gradually increase the speed. However, note that making a stabilized whipped cream, you need your mixer to be at very high speed. So you need a high speed mixer. So you have to whip this for about 5, 7, 10 minutes depending on the quantity. So this is a very small batch. I whip for about 5 to 7 minutes before I got the exact consistency I wanted. So check the description for the recipe. Try it out. You can multiply it, you can divide it to achieve whatever you want. Take a look at it. Very beautiful and very stable. I'm going to use this to mix with my filling for my pastry. You can use this to decorate your cakes. You can use it as fillings for your cakes. Bye.